Shamans from various cultures around the world have used semi-precious stones in their rituals since ancient times. These minerals are not only valued for their beauty, but also for their energetic properties, which, according to shamanic beliefs, influence the spiritual, physical, and mental balance of individuals. In the Americas, shamans from indigenous cultures such as the Quechua, quartz, and turquoise in healing and protection rituals. Obsidian, for example, is regarded as a purifying stone. Quartz, especially clear quartz, is used to channel positive energy and amplify the shaman's intent during ceremonies. In Asia, Tibetan shamans integrate gems like lapis lazuli. These stones are seen as channels of divine energy, facilitating deep meditation. Jade, particularly in Chinese tradition, is a protective stone symbolizing wisdom and serenity, used in rituals to attract prosperity. In Africa, traditional healers incorporate semi-precious stones into amulets and talismans to protect people from malevolent spirits. Malachite, for instance, is used to relieve physical ailments. Shamans often carry these stones during trance ceremonies, guiding spirits to ensure the well-being of their communities. In Europe, the Druidic tradition and other esoteric currents, amethyst induces calm and mental clarity, making it easier to access higher spiritual realms. Meanwhile, agate is appreciated for its ability to balance emotions and strengthen the aura. In summary, shamans worldwide see semi-precious stones as more than mere objects. They regard them as vessels of powerful energies that enhance their rituals. These stones serve as intermediaries between the physical and spiritual realms, helping restore balance and promoting both individual and communal healing. Subscribe to the channel for more content on spirituality and well-being.